Yo, peace and love, peace and love, peace and love, family. Back again, another video. You already know what this is about. Want to give a shout out to all the subscribers, current subscribers, potentials, existings. I love you guys. Cannot make these videos without your love and support. So I appreciate you. Here's me unboxing this package on the IG live on Sunday. So shout out to everybody that showed up. It was an awesome live. I went for about maybe 2 or 3 hours. I unboxed these live. So here's me doing that. And go ahead and subscribe if you're here. Let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. This is the Jordan 6 Travis Scott. And I've been wanting this, man, it was $250. Woo! That was a ticket on these bad boys, wasn't it? This is an older shoe. And a lot of companies were reluctant to send me this sneaker because it came out a while back, and usually they want to gift you shoes that are coming out, like the Bear shoes, which I'm refusing to do. I'm not doing any of the Bear sneakers, so don't ask me. But they sent me some socks in this bag, and I thought they were Travis Scott socks, and they're not. They just look like it as far as the theme with the brown and the red. They say socks on them, and they look good quality. And actually, at this point of filming the video, I already wore them, and they are good quality. They're like really, really warm and durable. They're not like the cheap, weird Jumpman socks that I usually get sent, or those weird Adidas ones. These were dope. Look at them. Look at the quality. It was good. Definitely appreciate it. All right, let's go ahead and take these out the box. And man, this is a beautiful, beautiful sneaker. I've always wanted this one. And man, look at the suede already. Let's grab the other one real quick. Yeesh. There was something in the toe box. A little lint. Man, you outdid yourself kicks for days on this one, bruh. Okay. So, man, there's just so much going on in this shoe. There's like a little pocket. You got the transitioning suede. You got the glow-in-the-dark soles, which I'll demonstrate a little later. A little Travis face underneath there. He always puts this little face in little funny spots, though. You got the translucent back. Man, look at that suede. It's just really good nubuck, actually. Not really suede or suede buck, whatever you want to call it. There's a shot at the toe box. Here is the insole. Nothing different from any other insole. I'm surprised you didn't put like the Cactus Jack on the insoles on this one. But we got it on the little lace locks. You know, the lace locks actually work really good. Little spot right there. That's a nice little touch. That's actually really hard to stitch under there too. The bottoms, they're glow in the dark. It's very nice. Whoever like designed this or picked this colorway, I know it might have been Travis, but whoever did this like really killed it. Nike on the back stitching looks really, really good. Got some kind of distressed looking unfinished holes. That's also a nice touch. Travis always goes for that like distressed kind of look. And he's never really biting off like the off-white style. I love it. Air Bubbles got the glow-in-the-dark, I think. But these are fire, man. I always wanted them. Finally got them. I got them from my good buddy. And if you join the IG Lives, you might catch this guy too. He's awesome. Now with the black light, I really didn't find anything like stitching flaws. I pretty much just sat here and played around with the glow-in-the-dark because it is super fun. I literally did this for like 15 minutes straight. Look at that. Does that light up? Yeah, I think it does. Ooh, look at that. It's like Ghostbusters. Okay, I'm having too much fun now. But they light up though. But again, as far as the actual shoe under the black light, I didn't see anything like any weird stamps, any marks where they, mark them and then stitch them together. Okay, gotta light both of them up just to make sure. Okay, nothing on the box here. Okay, looks good, man. They really did a good job on these. I mean, these are essentially flawless. Like, I don't know. Did you see me in retail shoe kicks for days? I don't know. If you did, shout out to you. But if you didn't, man. All right, let's move on. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Colo. I'm back at my spot. I knew I was gonna try something different, but I ran out of time, and I'm here with this hype beast looking outfit on. Like, it's alright. It doesn't really match the shoes. Doesn't really match anything, but I'm not using the lab mic today. I'm using my little fluffy Rode mic, which is wonderful. Like, I've been using this like my whole career, and it's been awesome. Anyway, thank you for coming out to the live on Sunday. We went like almost 3 hours. It was dope. Shared a lot of information, and yeah, that's where you get the inside scoop. I'm gonna slow down on answering questions on the DMs and IG, and I'm just gonna stick to the core fans that follow me. Is that a drone? If you made it this far, go ahead and thumbs up the video. I definitely appreciate it. Shout out to my dude, Kicks 4 Days. You my bro. All right, we find a good spot somewhere. As you can see, the sun has went down already, and it's getting that sherbet look up over here. I don't know if you can see that. Oh man, my new camera will be able to show all the dynamic range. I'm walking around this big old tripod, and yeah, my little area. You can't see that sherbet though? Nope. It's really not this color. It's like pinkish sherbet in real life. I promise you. Hopefully they can see that now. There we go, there we go. TK, you like my shirt? Am I dripping? Am I clouded up right now? Alright guys, I literally have no sunlight. It's darker than what it looks like. I got my ISO kicked all the way up, but I'm out. Peace out. Love y'all. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. I gotta go get that. Ow! This damn thing pinched me. Need to hire an assistant. Peace. Oh yeah, one more thing. Thanks for all the IG follows too, man. I love that. I love it. I'm not supposed to be cussing, but that's how I gotta express that, because I do love that.